Day number 3. And it's cold. It's nice. The sunflowers grow here. Where are we going?
I'm going to Kyanjing.
Kyanjing!
Yes.
And that's Langtang 1, the highest peak. And second,
Langtang 2, Langtang Lirun.
Langtang Lirun. That's where we stay, Langtang Valley. And apparently today is about 3 hours now, somewhere that direction. It's absolutely beautiful. And then after that, we'll probably drop our bags off and head for another hike. What do you think? Beautiful. Beautiful. No words. Our new Sherpa, Peter.
Yes.
Let's go. Oh my god!
Oh, we found the one
Really hard!
in the mountain. Oh, cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Hire this one.
Yeah.
She'll get your stuff up the mountain. So tomorrow, this is where we are gonna go. Over 5,000 meters. I think it's called Tsergo Ri. Walked for about, oh my god, it's very muddy here. I don't know, 2-3 hours maybe. Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful here. It gets like prettier and prettier as we walk higher up. I heard the plan is tomorrow 4:30 set off for sunrise to go up there. And these are suspension bridges you get across. This is Kyanjing Ri. That's our home for tonight. This is the place for the night. I washed my hair because it's really sunny and I'm hoping it dries. It's a little kitchen, a little home, and that's our roof. And then we have a private bathroom there as well. We have made to yak cheese production factory. Let's go. So, little update.
Really want to wear a mask?
We are.
Why?
We're not lost, but we walked
what if
all
you have,
this
sickness that
way.
you know you can spread. That was
And we're trying to figure out. Guides are trying to figure out how do we get there. We're literally walking on something like this.
And if we're outside now,
So we don't know where we are at the moment. We're off the path. An update. What happened?
what did happen?
What did happen?
She got the altitude sickness.
Yeah. What actually happened
We're
is
all mad.
this one got really scared of water. She couldn't cross the river.
It's alright, next time you can do it.
And basically we are like middle of nowhere. I don't know.
Please get the
where.
water.
Yeah.
You feel it, Indian Ocean, you will find out Mount Everest. Indian Ocean.
Yeah.